Hey guys, today we're playing Teardown, and I honestly don't really know what we're going to be doing. I'm just going to be doing random stuff. Well, I have a better idea. No, come back. I need you. I need you. No. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna put some vehicle thrusters on this. Hehehehe. This is gonna be fun. There and there. That's literally perfect. What oh, never mind. Perfect! Alright, let's drive this thing. I have a good idea. This is the first time I make this corner without falling into the river. Oh, wow. Hi. There we go! That was cool. Especially because look at what happened to that house. Imagine someone was in there, pooping or something. Like, just imagine you're in here just pooping and then all of a sudden, whoa! And then your door launched open, and then it's just all water. Like, you would grab anything to break this window and try to jump out. That's what I think. Well, imagine you were in this house. You were about to walk out the door, then all of a sudden it starts shaking and you fall in the water. How is that door still intact? These houses were untouched by the big rig. They're about to be touched. Dang it. Perfect. Don't worry. There we go. What the? Why won't you sink? Is it this? Why won't this place sink? You just gotta sink. I'm gonna bring you to dry land for you to see what it's like to be dry. Oh. Now that's what I call comedy. I want to go over there. Let me in. Thank you. I'm just gonna cut this place in half. Perfect. Perfect cut. There we go. What? That's like a clean cut. Wait, what about right here? Clean. Clean as Mr. Clean. Oh, what about a cruise ship? Heh. I'm just gonna cut these containers open because why not? Perfect. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hey, where'd the car go? Hey, cargo. Eh. Forgot to cut that place in half. That is not going to be such a smooth cut. That's a big hole. Let's make it even bigger. A car and some bombs, my favorite. Aww. You're not supposed to be a car anymore. There we go. Who needs cones? Who needs a table? Who needs shelves? We need fire! 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 Fire, 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 fire. Fire, 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 I love fire. I'm setting this place on fire. Perfect. I'm just gonna get my favorite car. And drive away peacefully. Well, never mind. I'm just gonna restart. I think I've completely destroyed this map. Okay. What should I do next? Ooh, there's a perfectly clean, not about to be clean though, cruise ship right here. Oh no. Nope. See, I told you it wasn't gonna be clean. Like half of that place just got ripped. This is cool. I heard liquid nitrogen also explodes because of fire. Just gonna let that fire go on over there. Then I'm gonna come down here. Yeah. That fire should ignite it. I don't think that fire is igniting everything. So, yeah. There's gonna be fun. Oh, look it, I died. Cool. Yeah. Oh, I think it's sinking. Okay. Yup, that sunk. Oh, there it is. Are there any other parts I can find down there? I found this tiny one. But look at the ship! Like, what happened to it? I know what happened to it. Mason destroyed it. Yeah, I just put it in hover mode so it can move. Yay! I'm not destroying this anymore, I'm destroying stuff. There's a good fish truck right here. Oh, it's off hover mode. That's just cool. I don't think I've ever been up here. Aww. Aww. I have a good idea. Let me just die with them. Yay! Oh, that was cool. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Oh. Okay, I need my hook shotgun, and then after I show you this is gonna be the end of the episode. So, yeah, we're just gonna come and see what this looks like. Oh. Look at that. Cool. Okay, so, it says sub and like. Make sure to do this. Please. If you don't do it right now, I'm gonna explode all of that. Guess how long you have? 5. That's how long you had. Okay, so, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and, goodbye!